Hi, my name is Idhi Prakash. I am from Chanakya National University and presently I am a legal intern at Let's Click. In this video, we will be talking about the Criminal Amendment Act 2019. This act has brought changes into the Indian Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. The changes that have been majorly brought and the features that this amendment has brought are insertion of section 153C and section 505A. Secondly, in Criminal Procedure Code, the changes that this amendment has brought is in the first schedule. Firstly, talking about the these two sections primarily are about hate dissertation and the consequences and the punishments that a person is going to face if they are got to be liable of the offences that are being brought under these sections. First of all, section 153C. 153C states that whoever on the grounds of religion, race, class or group, gender identity, sexual orientation, place of birth, living arrangement, language, clan, utilizes gravely aggressive confrontations, either verbally expressed or composed, signs noticeable portrayals inside the conference or in the view of an individual with the aim to cause or that it is probably going to cause fear or alert will be culpable with imprisonment of either term of either 3 years or fine or both. Secondly, the insertion of section 505A states that whoever on the grounds of religion, race, class or group, gender identity, sexual orientation, place of birth, living arrangement, language, clan, purposefully or intentionally utilizes in the open public with words, explanations containing rumors or disturbing news or shows any composition, sign or other noticeable portrayals which is or are probably going to be gravely intimidating or harsh into the discussion of the sight or of the sight of an individual, causing fear or caution, or if the same is done with the purpose to provoke or information that is probably going to provoke the exploitation of brutality against the individual or another, will be liable with an imprisonment of 3 years or fine or both. The changes that this amendment brings to the Criminal Procedure Code are as follows. In the First Amendment Act, the changes it brings is that it tells us about the punishment and the kind of punishment and the kind of trial we'll see in section 153C and 505A. In section 153C, the offences prohibiting incitement of hatred, punishment is imprisonment of 3 years or fine or both. It is a cognizable and non-bailable offence and it can be tried by the Court of Magistrate of First Class. Secondly, section 505A is the offence of causing fear of alarm and provocation of violence in certain cases. Punishment is imprisonment of 3 years or fine or both. It is a bailable, non-bailable and cognizable offence and it can be tried in any court of any magistrate. Nonetheless, in the Indian Penal Code 1816, there is no constricted compartment to manage the different acts identifying hatred or dissertation, which by and large covers with one another. The arrangement of hate dissertation fall under the classes of offence relating to religion, offence against public tranquility, and criminal intimidation, insult, and annoyance. Thus, it can be concluded that hate dissertation has the capability of inciting of individuals or society and to succumb rallies of psychological oppression, slaughters, ethnicity, and so on, and has genuine and destroying consequences for individuals living dangers their well-being and security. Thank you for listening.